Have you ever wandered through some creative, artistic, leisurely, and esoteric surroundings like a spiritual convention, art gallery, monastery, authors league meeting, or maybe a floor show at nightclub or sunbath on a yacht? You do have a great chance to meet plenty of Pisces people there. Let's explore a Piscean a little more. Pisces is born between February 20 to March 20. Pisces is a mutable sign. Its element is water. Its ruling planet is Neptune. Astrological sign of Pisces is two connected fishes swimming in opposite directions. Pisces people have very little worldly ambition like rank, power, leadership, or wealth. They understand the temporal value of money much better than many others. You may say that a Pisces don't want to be a millionaire but just want to live like the one. Typical Pisces have no greed. A Pisces generally swims with water currents. He goes wherever life takes him to. But true peace and happiness is hidden within his choice to accept challenges of swimming upstream, to struggle and fight for his ultimate goal. A Pisces has charm and lazy good nature. He is indifferent to restrictions, allegations, negative opinions, and even insults, unless they don't rob him of his freedom to dream and feel life his own ways. Although Pisces is of cool and pleasant nature, but if he is finally aroused, then he can be bitingly sarcastic with a clever and caustic tongue. But soon they wash away their anger to choose a way of least resistance. Pisces eyes are simply beautiful and extremely compelling. Skin is silky soft, they have fine wavy hair. Their features are elastic and mobile. They seem to be flowing like a fish rather than walking. No matter if they look beautiful or awkward, there is always a grace hidden behind. Like other water signs, Pisces stay away from alcohol, although some of them find an escaping pleasure in liquor. A typical Pisces knows it all about humanity, but he prefers to look at the world with his rose-colored spectacles to find everything lovely and beautiful. He often falters into daydreams when reality becomes unbearable. He often remains stick to the illusion of false hopes rather than to accept the failure and try again forcefully to achieve the success. Not every Pisces has to fall into such a trap of circumstances. A typical Pisces may wander through the forest to find the idea for his masterpiece, while in fact his paintbrush is just gathering the dust. Astrological symbol of Pisces shows a pair of fishes, one swimming to the top while other to the bottom. A Pisces always has a choice to swim upstream by using his inner talent and serve mankind like Albert Einstein, which is the true aim of a Pisces, or swim downstream and spend his life in washing dishes and daydreaming. Pisces is full of unusual talent. He can see both past and future clearly, but often get difficulty in recognizing the present. Pisces can always choose to pursue a decided professional life, like Steve Jobs, or a dream full of false excitements and artificial emotions. Professionally, Pisces don't like competition, but there's always a way where they can use their fabulous power of interpretation and emotions. Pisces proves to be finest actors like Amir Khan and great scientists like Alexander Graham Bell. Most of the Pisces look at life as a use stage, which makes them accept challenging situations with ease and tranquility. Pisces are often blessed with precognition. If they get a feeling that something will happen, it usually does. Pisces is said to be an old soul, which is thought to be the one which has gone through all other 11 zodiac signs. Being a Pisces can be a difficult life on one hand, while fulfillment can be achieved on the other. Aries represents birth in zodiac, while Pisces represents death. It is not easy to cope up with the Pisces, as his nature is a blend of all the 12 zodiac signs. Pisces can be full of idealism and enthusiasm like an Aries, but will certainly lack the mass drive. He can be lazy and peaceful like a Taurus, clever and quick like a Gemini. He can have crazy sense of fun like a Cancerian, fun-loving, outgoing and happy like a Leo. He can be gentle like a Virgo. His great sense of judgment and love for pleasure will remind you of Libra. He can be mystically penetrating like a Scorpio, but obviously without his ruthlessness. A Pisces can be devoted to his duties like a Capricorn, full of generosity and outspoken with frankness like a Sagittarius. A Pisces can tease and analyze like an Aquarius. Being all in one, yet no one makes a Pisces a puzzle sometimes, not only to others but to himself as well. There are some qualities which belongs to him only. He has a strange power to stand out of himself and see yesterday, today and tomorrow as one. Or you may say that they can see things as they are, being free from any preconceived notion. Pisces has love for art and music. He has highly developed senses and versatility. He has a deep wisdom and compassion which originates from his combined knowledge of human experience. Pisces has a tendency to take emotional and financial burdens of others, which steal their energy which is already not in excess. They are always ready to help their friends and relatives. It seems like they believe as if they can live forever and need not to take very good care of themselves. Pisces tend to have digestion related problems. Poor eating habits may cause problems. There may be some abnormality or accidents of feet, hands or hips. They may have weak lungs causing frequent cold, flu or pneumonia. Every Pisces has some hidden inner power, but finding this power is his ultimate challenge. Pisces' laughter is often a mask which he wears to hide unshed tears. He is master of satire. His humor can be warm and harmless, or cold and merciless. You might not understand it sometimes, but still there's certainly an uneasy feeling. Pisces uses his fun to cover those emotions which he wants to hide. Many Pisces choose to be a monk as they have a great feeling of pity. He judges no one, whether he is a thief, murderer, sinner or saint. A typical Pisces will always understand their true hurt and help as much as he can, without showing any superiority or giving lectures. True instinct of a Pisces is to help selflessly. Maybe some Pisces appears to be indifferent and not interested in listening sad stories, but if you try to unveil his protective shell, you will find the true Pisces, who is ready to absorb your every pain. Pisces are blessed with glorious imagination, humor and sense of beauty, which can create the most delicate and lasting poetry and prose. Pisces hate to reply in yes or no. It's always a maybe, no matter how frustrating it can be for the other person. Pisces lives his life in lonely understanding of truth, too deep to express in words. It is not easy to grasp the strange planes of his mind and emotions. They are always moving. Love is a miracle for Pisces. They are always giving and expecting nothing in return. Hate to argument with the one they love, which makes them submissive partners. There is always a spiritual depth in love, which involves philosophy and creativity. Pisces always looks for true love. Cancer and Scorpio are the best partners for a Pisces. Taurus and Capricorn also proves to be great friends and companions. I hope you liked my presentation. If you want to appreciate me, please like it, share it and subscribe it. And if you want to get the notifications for my upcoming videos, please press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.